It is hard to believe that tomorrow is the first day of June, but thankfully a gorgeous forecast is on the table. Sunny to mostly sunny skies all day long. Temperatures starting off in the low 70s as you were heading out the door. Afternoon highs warming up into the mid to upper 80s for your afternoon. Overnight lows for tomorrow night dropping back down into the high 70s to low 80s. It was a very warm day today, and it will continue to be that way for your Wednesday and Thursday as well, all thanks to a very strong ridge of high pressure dominating the whole entire southeastern region. Everywhere you look on this map, temperatures in the 80s and 90s with heat indexes likely above 100 degrees. Along the Grand Strain, here's a look at your 10-day temperature forecast. Very warm for your Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Our next weather make will be a cold front that comes through on Saturday, but before you know, we're back in the mid to upper 80s, close to 90 towards the middle and end of next week. Here's your forecast inland. Extreme heat for your Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. There's that cold front that comes through on Saturday, but before you know it, we're back in the mid to upper 80s to low 90s towards the middle and end of next week. And also, in case you did not know this, tomorrow is the first and official day of the 2022 Atlantic hurricane season, and we could already be seeing our first potential tropical threat of the season. This past weekend, we had Hurricane Agatha make landfall in southern Mexico, and some of its remnants and DNA is trying to collide with a very deep area of atmospheric moisture currently in between the Yucatan Peninsula and Cuba, and those remnants collided, and those remnants will likely collide with this very deep area of atmospheric moisture and kind of form one main system and try and form somewhere in this general area. The National Hurricane Center is giving this area about a 70% chance of forming within the next 5 days. Now, with this system, there's kind of two different possible case scenarios. Case scenario one will take it on a more southerly route right over Cuba and into the Bahamas, but this will bring potentially upwards of 20 inches rain to portions of the Yucatan Peninsula, Cuba, as well as the Bahamas. However, case scenario two takes it on a way more northerly track right over the Florida Peninsula and potentially just off the coast of the Carolinas. Now, obviously, we're looking at two different things. This first case scenario takes it nowhere near us. However, the second one takes it very, very close to us. So pretty much at this point, it's just going to be a waiting game. I will continue to keep you posted on all my social media platforms as well as right here on my YouTube channel. But as of right now, there is nothing to worry about in the tropics. However, if this does get named, our first name on the list is Alex, followed by Bonnie, Colin, Danielle, Earl, Fiona, and Gaston. Here's a look at your 10-day forecast along the immediate coast. Very, very hot for your Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That cold front will finally bring us down from this extreme heat back into the low 80s for the weekend. But before you know, we're back in the mid to upper 80s towards the end of next week. Hardly any rain in the forecast beside Friday and next Thursday as well. Here's your forecast inland. Extreme heat for your Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Hopefully that rain will cool us off on Friday as that cold front approaches us on Saturday. We're back in the mid-80s for the weekend, but before you know it, back in the mid to upper 90s for your Tuesday and Wednesday. Our next shot of rain will be next Thursday. Keep it here at Liam's Weather for all the latest information.